Hi guys, welcome back to another day, another video. And yeah, today we'll be talking about a new space, which is called as the luggage space or the baggage space. I think you already know by looking at the thumbnail of the video, right? And I will be explaining today as to like why this is a sector that I'm just completely not interested in. Okay. Also, it's so cold here in Bangalore. Like the temperature is like dropping 18. It drops even to 16 degrees at night. Like it's so freaking cold, like I can't operate without a jacket or sweater even if I'm at home. Like that's how like cold it is. How is it? It's because of these rains and the monsoon. But let me know how it is in your place, right? Because I think this is probably the coldest summer here in my experience. What I have seen. But anyways, let's start over here. First, let us understand कि like यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा था, and if that situation is still continuing. Okay, so if you look at the luggage space over here, the first thing if you see in the entire luggage spaces, in the last 2 years, I think the problem started in the month of September year 23. September 23 में ये problem चालू हुआ था, that there was a lot of inventory. As you remember, in the year 21, 22, there was this pent up demand that came, right? People were traveling so much because COVID था. उसके बाद there was this huge travel का rush. एक travel का एक बोल सकते हो एक तरह का addiction हो रहा था. People were traveling domestically, internationally, सब जगह एक ट्रेंड बन गया था, राइट? एज अ रिजल्ट द एंटायर ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री डिड वेल. नाउ लगेज अगर आप बात करते हो, इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री ओनली, राइट? सो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पेंट अप डिमांड दैट इज देयर, दीज पीपल मेड अप रियली वेल. दैट क्या हुआ 2022 के बाद, ऑल दिस this lockdown went over. People started having a very normalized set of life, you can tell, post 2022, right? People started going to offices, they started doing the work from home stop होने लगा. And slowly you could see this pent up demand से जो demand आ रहा था, right, that started evaporating. Okay, and in this meantime, what these companies had done, right, these luggage companies, they had stocked up on inventory so much, इतना inventory भर भर के रखा था, because they thought ये जो industry का growth rate था, back in like 21, 22, that growth rate, at that industry level will continue. They didn't anticipate कि like once this demand goes off, once this pent up demand goes, once this life becomes very normalized, this work from home goes, शायद ये जो ट्रैवलिंग लोग करते हैं उतना रेट से नहीं होगा. ओके, एंड दे डिडंट एंटिसिपेट दैट. सो इसके वजह से नाउ थिंक अबाउट इट, राइट? सप्लाई ज्यादा है, अभी डिमांड कम है. अर्लियर क्या था, अर्लियर रिमेंबर दैट एसी का स्पेस में वी शोड दैट चार्ट, राइट? सो इन 2021 2022 में क्या था, राइट? इमेंस डिमांड, सप्लाई इसके वजह से बढ़ा, राइट? सो द इन्वेंटरी वाज आल्सो अप, एवरीथिंग वाज ग्रेट. पोस्ट 2022, दैट इज इन द ईयर 2023 से स्टार्ट क्या होने लगा कि लाइक जो लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे थे वो कम होने लगा. सो द सप्लाई दैट इज देयर इज मोर, बट द डिमांड इज नॉट देयर. आपका इन्वेंटरीज इसके वजह से भर के पड़ा हुआ है सारा चैनल्स में, राइट? एज अ रिजल्ट आप अभी कोई नहीं खरीद रहा है, देन यू हैव टू गेट रिड ऑफ द इन्वेंटरी, राइट? व्हेन द डिमांड इज नॉट देयर एंड यू हैव सो मच सप्लाई, आपका इन्वेंटरी वहां पे है इन ऑल द चैनल्स, आप क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? प्राइसिंग का प्राइस डिस्काउंट करोगे ना, डिस्काउंट दोगे, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा एटलीस्ट आपका इन्वेंटरी का लिक्विडेशन हुआ. सो इन सितंबर का 23 में ये प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट हुआ कि लाइक द एंटायर लिक्विडेशन ऑफ द इन्वेंटरी स्टार्टेड. ओके, दे स्टार्टेड गिविंग इमेंस प्राइस का डिस्काउंट, बिकॉज इतना इन्वेंटरी है भाई, मतलब इसको रख के क्या फायदा, यू हैव टू गेट रिड ऑफ इट वन वे और द अदर. सो दे वेंट ऑन टू गिव हेवी डिस्काउंटिंग. ओके, लाइक डिस्काउंटिंग लाइक एवर बिफोर. एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट क्या हुआ, एक्चुअली दिस पहले तो ऑलरेडी इन्वेंटरी का प्रॉब्लम था, ठीक है? सो दे वर गिविंग लिटिल डिस्काउंट वॉट एवर इट इज रिक्वायर्ड. Along with that, in the year 23-24, what started happening is like आपका ये जो नया स्टार्टअप्स जो होता है, राइट, लाइक यू माइट हैव हर्ड ऑफ दिस ब्रांड सच एज मोकोब्रा एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? लाइक नया नया न्यू एज कंपनी, राइट, स्टार्टअप्स है, राइट? दीज पीपल स्टार्टेड entering the market. If you go back and look earlier, there were only few players. Like you have the biggest player in this space is VIP, then you have Safari Industries, then you have like the branded segment that is there, right? Like if you look at the luggage sector before, either you have the normal like आपका 60 to 70% is आपका वो that volume का गेम जो आपका VIP सफारी खेलता है, right, which is like a decent price में आपको 1000 rupees and below में आपको इतना अच्छा लगेज मिलेगा. Then like other 20% of the market is held by आपका थोड़ा सा this like a bridge to luxury, like आपका like little bit like Tommy Hilfiger and all of that. And the last 5 to 10% is held by आपका what is that luggage, Rimowa, all of that, big brands that are there, जिसका एक एक लगेज का प्राइस होता है 5 लाख 6 लाख, in that range. So this was it. अभी क्या हुआ, people, there came a lot of companies, startups आने लगे in this middle segment, right, in this middle and in this नीचे वाला segment, this 80-60% का category जो होता है in the line of VIP and Safari. And what they started to do is they started to give this aspirational designs, जैसे आपको टॉमी हिलफिगर का जैसे डिजाइन होते हैं, very clean, very aesthetic kind of designs at the price point of VIP and Safari. And उनके पास क्या था, all these new age startup, what they have this VC money to burn, they have a lot of funds. So these people, in order to इतना competition बढ़ गया यहाँ पे, earlier there were few players, competition बढ़ गया, and those new entrants that are there, they started giving even more discounts. So इनका तो यहाँ पे आग लग गया ना, because already आपके inventory में discount दे रहे हो, now competition इतना बढ़ गया है कि like your competitors are giving discount, and if you are not giving at an equal price, then you will also lose sale. So these people also started giving discount. So इसके वजह से क्या हुआ, even though in spite of the volume growth being there, right, hardly you can tell volume growth was in like either high single digit or low double digit. In spite of having that volume growth somewhere between 8 to 12% in that range, still you will see कि like problems आने लगे. Why? Because यहाँ पे price का पूरा erosion हुआ. Remember in the investment checklist we spoke about कि like when you talk about sales, there are two factors. One is the volume growth and the other one is value growth. Okay, right? यहाँ पे volume growth था, but क्या होने लगा? Value growth was not at all there, right? Value growth completely went down. As a result, what happened? जो भी volume growth था, वो भी चला गया out of the window. So this was a problem faced, okay? And ये जो problem which started in the year September 23, and right now it is almost 2 years, we are into this problem, and it has not really gotten better. In fact, it has gotten worse than what it was 2 years ago. Okay, if you talk about the biggest player that is there in this industry, VIP industry, you might have seen इसका जो brand है, they make this VIP का luggage जो होता है, Carlton बोल के एक brand है, Skybags बोल के एक brand है, right? These are the luggages that they make. Okay, now यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, even the same condition, इतना अभी अभी तो पहले तो price का discounting इतना चल रहा था, अभी along with that, there is no volume growth also, because they have two channels. One is the e-commerce channel and the general trade channel. Again, यहाँ पर भी पूरा का पूरा upside down हो चुका है. So you will see because of these two, sales is down by 12%. अगर आप देखते हो profitability का बात ही मत करो. They are posting losses right now. Losses is at 13 crore versus same time last year. In Q1 of last year, the profitability was somewhere around 4 crore. Okay, 4 crore profit कर रहा था, अभी loss करे 13 crore का. Volume growth जो है, that is down by 12%. Think about it. Sorry, volume growth is down by 8%, right? So यही है, इनका तो हालत बहुत बुरा है. ठीक है, पहले तो यहाँ पे डिस्काउंटिंग चला. See, remember this thing, volume growth and value growth, you need both to a certain point. Okay, because value growth अगर आपका है नहीं, आपका pricing power है नहीं, आपको डिस्काउंट देना ही पड़ रहा है, then ultimately there will come a point where जितना भी आप वॉल्यूम करो, आपका you will not be able to make a sale, which is a good example of VIP industry, right? At the same time, if you have only value growth, क्या होगा, आपका सिर्फ price hike कर रहे हो everything, there will come a point where there is a ceiling in terms of price hold. Okay, मतलब you can't increase beyond a certain point, वरना क्या होगा, people will prefer some other brand. I don't think any brand has that kind of monopoly. Even if you, let's say, do have that kind of you can take that immense price hike, but then you lose on the market, like the addressable market becomes less. Like for example, you talk about these big brands, right? Like you talk about Cartier, you talk about Louis Vuitton, and all of these big brands that are there now, Miu Miu, Prada, and all of it. Yes, they have this upside. When you talk about increasing the price, they can increase it as much as they want, right? People will still buy Miu Miu ka sunglasses and everything. But having said that, how many people can afford Miu Miu? Do you see that the addressable market, their entire audience becomes very less ultimately at the end of the day, right? So this is the problem. So a good combination would be to have both volume as well as value growth. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, पहले तो value growth गया and ultimately अभी volume भी चला जा रहा है. The second company in this space is Brand Concept. Now you might know about this company, right? This was all the rage in that, in that 2021 and 2022 when the luggage sector was doing well. It was the fastest growing player. ये जो company है, these people have the license to design, develop and manufacture for brands such as आपका Aeropostale, Tommy Hilfiger. Compared to VIP industries, ये थोड़ा premium brand है. You can tell it is more like a bridge to luxury, not a luxury brand, but थोड़ा semi-premium kind of brand this is. Okay, इनका actually this is a very interesting thing because a lot of people, when this company had come, even for me for that matter of fact, we thought, this is that one company that can have pricing power, because VIP and talk about Safari industry, it is a more like a mass premium brand, right? Whereas brand concept is little bit premium, so we thought कि like इसका जो pricing का power है, right, it might have. इनका भी the same situation when this pricing was started in September 23 for the last 2 years, they didn't give any price discount. They refrained from doing, because they are like, भाई कितना देर तक तुम price discount करोगे, मतलब even they thought the same thing कि like there will come a point where you can't go discount below a certain threshold, right? You can't. But like I told you, the situation is so bad यहाँ पे, competition is so bad and the intensity यहाँ पे इतना bad है कि like भाई there is no end to the bottom, there is no end to giving the discount यहाँ पे, right? 2 साल हो गए फिर भी अभी भी डिस्काउंट कर रहे हैं. एंड अंटिल नाउ ब्रांड कॉन्सेप्ट जो ये पूरा का बोल रहा था कि लाइक भाई आई विल नॉट गिव डिस्काउंट, आई विल नॉट गो इनटू दिस गेम, आई विल रादर कीप माय लेस वॉल्यूम्स बट आई विल नॉट गिव डिस्काउंट. Even they have given in. They are like, what, screw it, we can't do this anymore. Ultimately, people are not, people are comparing, see, if it is 1 year this has happened, it is okay, but it has been 2.5 years right now. And if we don't give discounts right now, like, because people ka mind share mein hai ki like, VIP is giving discount, Safari is giving discount, the new age brands are giving discount, but we aren't, right? So they had to, unfortunately, these people had to give in. Now since they gave in a little bit, abhi price ka discount kar rahe hai, unka April and May was a complete wipeout for them. But June में since they started giving discount ना, थोड़ा सा उनको क्या बोलते हैं, volume growth आने लगा. But think about it, right? Ultimately your volume growth is coming because आप discount दे रहे हो, आप discount दे रहे हो तो ultimately क्या होगा, margins में pressure आ जाएगा, right? So that is there. Recently these people also, if you see unka other business updates are, they've signed off a brand called as Off-White. You might know of Off-White, it is a luxury brand, but Off-White agar aap dekhte ho, unlike Tommy Hilfiger, Aeropostale, where these people have a complete control of designing, developing and manufacturing, with Off-White it is more like a licensed brand. Okay, like they can open the stores and they can sell Off-White ka goods, but they do not have the rights to design and develop. आप बोल सकते हो merely like आप एक import कर रहे हो Off-White का products and then you're selling it in the stores, like more like what Ethos does with watches. They are not doing anything, right? Basically एक license ले रहा है उस watches का, either to be an exclusive brand retailer. So similarly these people are doing that, ठीक है? Other than that, if you look at it, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. They're starting off with a manufacturing facility and everything, but ultimately think about it, right? Demand condition इतना बुरा है, competition है, pricing का war हो रहा है. Ultimately आपका volume growth हो भी रहा है तो it is useless kind of volume growth, right? And the result are a testament of the same. If you see that sales is down by 7%, PAT तो है ही नहीं, 100% PAT is down. मतलब if you see same time last year, in Q1 of last year they used to post a profit of around 2 crore, okay, and now they're posting a loss of around 2.7, almost 3 crores आप बोल सकते हो. So that is how terrible it is there even for brand concept, okay. Then you have Safari Industries, and और एक चीज है, VIP को और एक लोचा हुआ था यहाँ पे. I told you, right, these people have this brand called Carlton Luggages. Now there is this another company called as Carlton Shoes, and they had या उनका केस चल रहा था कि like ये जो Carlton का this trademark that is there, to use it, it belongs to our brand, like you can't use it for that for advertising and everything. And the Supreme Court ruled in the favor of Carlton Shoes. Now as a result इसका जुलाई का month में entire VIP का this Carlton से जो sale आ रहा था, they were not able to sell anything because of this rule, and it has resumed in August. But think about it, that because in their entire brand portfolio ना VIP का, Carlton is that premium brand थोड़ा, so उसमें थोड़ा सा at least वो discounting little bit उसका उतना pressure नहीं है, and that only got affected so much. So Q2 will probably be even more terrible for VIP than what it is in Q1. And then we have other two companies, which is Safari Industry and Swiss Military Goods. Safari ka, if you see, sales is up by 16%, PAT is also up by 13%, a little bit better you can tell from the other two, that is their VIP and brand concept, jiska pura ka sale wash out ho gaya. But having said that, do not know what these people are doing, like iska sales is up by 16%. I don't know if it is a one-time thing, because think about it, the biggest player in this space, VIP Industries, and the premium player, that is their brand concept, they are complaining about it. So I don't think like other player that is operating in the space, they can do any better, right? Maybe what they have done is probably eaten the market share of these two companies that are there, but I don't think the situation for them is probably any better than what it is for the other players. Then we have Swiss Military Goods jo hai, right? Again over here also, if you see, sales is up by 20% and PAT is up by 12%. यहाँ पे एक चीज है, if you look at Swiss Military Goods, now they not only sell luggages, but they sell all these other items such as आपका egg boiler, आपका blender, and rice cooker juice, everything. And these people don't know, they don't give the split between कि like कितना sale इस quarter आया है from this luggage, कितना sale आया है by selling all this kitchen equipments, they don't give. So it may be because even they have mentioned in the PPT the same thing, like discounting चल रहा है, competition intensity is way way more than what it was earlier, right? And again, so we do not know ये जो sales जो है 20% का, how much of it that came from this kitchen electric, all these appliances. Because if you remember the wire and cable ka goods ka segment that is there, right? Wire and cable companies, when you talk about Polycab, when you talk about Havells, when you talk about all these companies that are there, you see unka FMEG division that is there, that did really really well. In fact, Polycab ka FMEG division is I think this time I forgot the growth rate it had. You know, right? Like it did really well. So that space is doing well. Maybe because of since these people also cater to that space, iske wajah se iska sales is up. It has got that boost a little bit, and maybe not purely from the luggage space, because how can you operate or have something different when everybody is complaining? It's like अगर आप AC का space में देखते हो, right? You see that everybody is suffering. EPAC is suffering, Amber is suffering, everybody else. PGL cannot post anything different than what EPAC and Amber is doing, right? It would be very rare. It would be a very very rare sight for it to happen. So similarly over here also, when VIP is suffering, when brand concept, you can't post anything. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखते हो PAT is up by 12%. I think they could have gotten a bit more operating leverage. You see that the finance cost in Kana, which was barely there in the Q1 of FY25, now unka finance cost is around 36 lakhs. Now this finance cost, maybe it is coming from unka working capital requirements, because they started a new plant in December 2024 in Haryana. They put up a plant, uska capex laga tha 150 crore, right? I think 150 crore, no, I think yeah, somewhere around, no, not 150 crore, I think somewhere around 56.5 crore laga tha, and they were expecting 150 crore of revenue if it works in full capacity. Like that is something I remember them having one of the PPT ka slides in very earlier. So maybe because this new plant has come up over there, उसके वजह से शायद working capital requirements के लिए finance cost बढ़ चुका है. But again इस company का यही बुरा है कि like we do not know. I know that the plant had commissioned in December 2024, but think about it, we are in the year 2025. It's been 6 months since the plant has commissioned and there is no update. I mean, you can give a little bit update in your PPT, right? कि like plant का क्या चल रहा है, कितना utilization है आपका, what is happening. I mean, that is very disappointing, कि like आप ये सब नहीं देते हो, especially when you have done QIP and you've taken money from the market, to do so. So that's that. अगर आप देखते हो, this is that one sector I would tell, stay away from this sector at all cost. Now a lot of people I also see, ये लोग क्या करते हैं, either they would do bottom fishing over here. They would be like, अरे इतना गिरा है और कितना गिर सकता है. I mean, stock all the way can go up till zero. There is no end over here कि like ये 50% गिरा है, so it will continue. उसके बाद ऊपर आएगा. The stock can come all the way down to zero. Remember that, if the business conditions don't improve at all. Okay. And looking at the current baggage या luggage का sector जो है, it doesn't look like the things will improve at least for the upcoming year, that is FY26. Okay. So this is one thing. And I would all recommend you all, like most of the times we read about companies that are doing well. I would also tell you to read about companies that are not doing well, such as this entire luggage sector. इसका थोड़ा कॉन कॉल पढ़ के देखो, इसका थोड़ा PPT पढ़ के देखो. Why am I telling this? Is because you would know which sectors to avoid. By knowing what you will not invest in, you'll automatically find opportunities that would serve your purpose. The other thing is, once you understand like why this sector is bad now, tomorrow if you see something like this happening in another sector, when you see that the tides are turning in the downward direction, you'll be able to catch it quickly also, right? Because you had an experience by by looking at one sector. When things turn, you will be you will be able to detect there also. So that is why अगर कोई कंपनी अच्छा करे, उसको पढ़ो and जानो कि like क्यों अच्छा कर रहा है. At the same time, अगर कोई कंपनी बुरा कर रहा है, उसको भी पढ़ के जानो कि like क्यों बुरा कर रहा है. Both of it will benefit you. And I hope all of you get into a habit of reading on call, reading the PPT, and take decisions. Like I do not want, like, the entire reason I started this YouTube channel is because I always like I used to see retail investors, they would read like random documents, and but they don't understand कि like ये जो documents जो बड़े बड़े company post करते हैं, ultimately it is an amalgamation of PPT and con call. मैं भी जो बोल रही हूँ, it is just nothing but an amalgamation of PPT and con call. It's not something मैं I'm speaking something magic over here. So if I can do it, so can you guys. There is nothing like extraordinary or something over here. अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ, आप भी कर सकते हो. And I would really like कि like आगे जाके आप मेरा वीडियो मत देखना, पर आप खुद का मतलब एक independent thought process होके you will be able to analyze these companies. That is what I would expect of all of you guys, and I hope at least मेरा video देख के that it inspires you, you know, to like go to that आपका जो भी portfolio companies है, आप you know, आप उसको पढ़ के, आप उसको you know analyze करके, आपको portfolio companies है, you will be able to do it for yourself. Not listen, don't listen to me, don't listen to anybody else. सिर्फ एक ही बंदे का सुनना है, जो बंदा एक company को run कर रहा है, right? Whoever is running the business, whoever is running the show, you have to only listen to that guy, because उसके अलावा कोई और नहीं जानता है उस धंधे के बारे में. Not me, not you, nobody else, right? So please make sure at least starting from today, because see, we are already at the end. I mean, Q1 तो हो चुका है अभी, right? All the Q1 का companies are done. So make sure you take this time, you know, to understand what happened in Q1. So at least when Q2 का result आ रहा है ना, you would be prepared. At least if not for anything ना, आपका खुद का जो portfolio का company है, please do that, right? Because ultimately this is your hard-earned money, right? Hard-earned money को आप क्यों नदी में बहना चाहते हो, right? So that is all I have to tell, right? So like read con call, read PPT, and I hope watching my video, it, you know, it inspires you, you know, to open that con call and read. Anyways guys, that's that about today's video. And yes, if you guys haven't already registered for the portfolio analysis workshop, make sure you do. We have limited amount of seats. Again, it's just here in this Sunday, right, on the 24th of August. And like I told you in the previous videos also, the only, you know, the most important thing over here is not just by discussing our portfolio and what are the changes that has happened. What we will also do is, you know, across the sector, which sector to avoid, which sector is good, is sector mein kaun sa players are there, you know, all of that. What are the opportunities in a particular sector, what can you play, all of this also will be discussed over here. Because, you know, as you can understand, in my portfolio and Rajesh's portfolio, at the end of the day, we can only play a certain amount of stock, irrespective of the amount of opportunities we have, right? Only certain amount of plays we can play, right? Otherwise allocation to pura ka pura bigat jayega. So that is the reason, you know, we want to like give you the entire plethora of watch list companies that are there, and show you, you know, what are the opportunities in different sectors. Anyways guys, that's that for today's video. I will see you again later. Bye.